Okay, so I'm done with paint. Put the handlebar back on, floorboard. Took the tape off, and now I'm just waiting for the engine and the rest of the parts to put it back together. Pretty satisfied with the paint. Looks pretty good for the amount of rust that it had on it. Yeah. So this is the old engine, old gas tank, chain, and this is the new stuff. Gas tank, chain. Start putting it together. Already put the brake on. All right. Okay, so far got the motor on. There it is. Let's continue. Okay, so I got done with the motor, exhaust, gas tank, throttle. Put the kill switch on, but I haven't hooked it up yet. Did a little tuning on the carb. Brakes are on. And fires up.